Manligues on him initially. Now he's tasked to guard his former teammate, Armenion, straight away free. And this lead now up to a dozen. Actually, inaalala ko, binanggit mo yan sa akin eh. Si Daphne yun during the preseason, they're really, after trailing by 3, they pushed ahead. Pasay responding with a steal. Manligues has Reverente to beat and he scores.
You need those kinds of baskets if you are Pasay. You don't want to fall into the same situation you had against Valenzuela, where Valenzuela led all the way up to 17, pero pag si Cebuano hotshot, nag-inet ng ganyan, medyo mahihirapan ka talaga.
Tightly guarded by Jello Santiago. Meneses is back in for Cebu. Montiveros lost his footing, turned over against the Greats. Extreme ang subok at kompletong appliances brand ng Pilipinas. Naagaw ni Mark Meneses ang bola. Reverente, pasa ay Ariar. Altamirano, quick catch and shoot! That's a free from the corner.
Specialty of the house, this guy is a known scorer.
Martel gives it. Step back jumper for 3. Alcoriza is short. But the stick back from mid-range. This time inbound, Altamirano, pinasa kay Kit Ariar. Pinira agad, pasok din yan. Pumoposte si Brian Hilario. Pumihit, the shimmy, and the basket. What a move from Brian Hilario.
Not the best shot attempt, there were hands in front of their shooting attempts.
Montiveros, same spot, same result. 43-31. That was their win over Quezon City. Altamirano strokes in the trifecta.
Always a comfortable shot para dito kay Itchy.
4 pesos sa ilalim si Camacho. Naagaw ni Nash Enriquez. Pulls back. Knew that Camacho was in the vicinity. The cut inside. Munmun de la Cruz forcing his way in. He will score.
Alam niya, hindi niya kailangan ipilit. And he saw that he had a teammate cutting to that trail.
Oh! That basket will count. 3-point shot by Itchy Altamirano.
Shout out Coach RB, joke lang.
They love yan si Coach RB. Sa ilalim, Camacho after coming up with a block, he scores underneath.
Kent Ariar is such a threat on the court because he can either shoot the shot, but the interior defense has been intense and elite. For Cebu, there has been no available shot inside for Pasay.
Pero naago na naman, enough time, Altamirano. Parito giving chase, but Itchy will score over him to cap off this phenomenal second quarter for Cebu.
I want to end the half well with a basket here.
Pero naago na naman, enough time, Altamirano. Parito giving chase, but Itchy will score over him.